Dr. Pillai, can you talk about how Shreem Brzee was revealed?
Well, Shreem Brzee was revealed not totally at one time. In 1998 or 97, I was visiting India. At that time, I got this technique from a divine source. There was a king in India, an emperor, and this emperor was a great man. And he said, "See, I have a great life. I have all these palaces and great food and wine and everything. But my citizens don't have the ability to even to have a decent meal. So no matter what I do, I can do that on a mundane, practical level. So some divine solution should be there for everybody to have a life like me." So he took off from his job as a king and then meditated for 1500 years. And then his body turned into light and so on. And at that time, it was revealed to him that this sound, Brzee, Brzee, would help people to have the money in order to live a great life. And he was looking for someone to give this technology, this sound technology, and then he thought for some reason, maybe he was wrong, uh, because after I got it, I didn't do much with it. I was very serious for 2 years, but then I just dropped it. And then, but then he won't still leave me because he's still alive in another plane. So I just have now been put in a place, in a tight spot. And that is a tight spot is to make this happen. And I am now fully convinced. And the revelation of how it works and how it should be done have come to me now in a more profound scientific way. And then the delivery also is going to be very different from the delivery that I knew of when I received it in 1998 or so. So it's a sound that can help manifest, because it is the Brzee itself is the sound for the goddess of wealth. There is a goddess of wealth. There is a god or goddess for every experience or every object or every idea. And this is one who is in charge of providing wealth. But that's a great opportunity, because right now what we have been thinking is we have to really scratch our brain and then strategize whether I can make money doing this or doing that or learning this skill or learning that skill. Everybody has done that. The schools are teaching that, and then there are so many seminars going on everywhere that they also teach that. But what I teach is different here. And it is using a supernormal force, a goddess, a god. So I just think of the Bible, the Old Testament. And God says in the Old Testament, "Give me a call. I will answer all your calls. And I will make the end of the earth as your inheritance." Is a promise. So God makes deals. Okay, there are so many deal-making gods in India, elsewhere too. So they live in a plane of how to manifest material reality.